Years ago, I bought a boat with the intent to become a liveaboard and to fulfill my childhood fantasy of being a swashbuckling pirate. Little did I know of what that would entail. Join me on a grand adventure of preparing the boat and starting the liveaboard lifestyle. And now... I could have swore I just heard somebody messing around at my door. Let's go find out. It came! All right, here we go. Box opening time. Oh, look at that. There it is. Adjustable highway peg mount. And this is the engine guard for the bike. This will make travel to and from the boat a lot easier on the bike. And it came with the mounting hardware. So that's it. There's the mounting hardware. The engine guard. But I got the engine guard specifically just to mount highway pegs. The instructions, looks like a couple set screws in there. Oop. And the mounting pegs. So clamps on there, or there, depending on how you want to mount them. And the peg goes on there. So I'll just need to install this stuff on the bike. All right, what do you say we put these bad boys on and see what they look like? So upon reading the instructions, there's a couple things that I need to look out for, mainly with these lines here. Most of which involve rotating clips out of the way. With this line right here, which is, I'm not quite sure what that line is, but I got to be careful with that. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to hook it in, go around. See if I can't get that top bolt in. Okay, so she's just hanging on that now. That's it. That's what she's going to look like with them on there. I just got to tighten the bolts down. That's how easy it was. Alright, so now I'm going to measure for the highway pegs, and this gives me the opportunity to reinstall my kick shift. So I've already taken the liberty of taking the passenger pegs off
and they fit in these. Since I don't use the passenger pegs anyway, I get to reuse the posts and save myself some money. And there you have it, installation of the engine guard and my road pegs, which will make traveling out to the Falcon so much easier. Hey, thanks for watching. As always, please subscribe, hit the bell notification if you want to know of new content, and may the winds always be at your back.